Welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a regular daily walkthrough of our garden and check on the progress on the growth. Please give us a follow if you're on Rumble. Please give us a like if you're on YouTube. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, never miss a video. We had a lot of rain last night. We were blessed not having to water the garden. It's always good to save the water bill. Gotta get in there and pull a few weeds. Come up. It's always hard to see them when they're in these until they pop out. They're easy to pull after the rain, though. And into our compost pile with our compost potatoes. Yes, just a bunch of potatoes thrown into the compost pile that decided to give us a harvest. We'll see the quality of the potatoes from the plant. Hopefully they're not ridden with holes from the insects doing their job in a compost pile. Our first pepper plant still hasn't produced any flowers. One of our 3 tomato plants flowering white yesterday, and now they're flowering yellow. Okay, well, I guess that's it then. All tomato plants go yellow flowers. Here's our pepper plant, our first of the 2 with its tiny buds. Oh, yeah. Other tomato plants, all these other pepper plants that have now, I think every single one is flowering. Yeah, well, one thing's for sure, all the tiger lilies are flowering today. My God, look at them. Oh yeah. Oh, I got a spider web right my way. You can't see it. There we go. Okay. Well, before we walk past the squash, let's look at the squash. Wow! Just an explosion of happy leaves stretching to the sky as funnels wanting to have more water for themselves. Okay, let's go in here. Obviously, these are going to want to vine. I have to try to coax them up this way. And we have a zucchini starting there. Yes, we do. Well, let's look into our plants, eh? Oh, what's this? What's going on here? Don't like that. Now, from our first ones that were, oh, look at that. Okay, yes. Can I get the camera in there? Right there. This little buggy, right there. That's gonna be, I think, our first zucchini. I don't think another plant will outpace them. Nope. Wow. Well, okay, let's walk past our beans. It's a nice 21 going on 22 right now this morning. It's obviously very humid, but the plants are loving it. Oh, to walk past those plants getting me wet with last night's rain. Well, our peas all seem to be doing just, oh my goodness me. Not peas, beans. Look at that. 3 beans already. Wow. That was quick. Seriously, I did not see beans growing here yesterday. Well, guess I'm having beans for supper. It's too bad a lot of the other plants didn't come up at the same time. Well, once these start producing, it's just, well, you'll see why I end up pickling them instead of just canning them like canned green beans. I still have canned green beans from the first year of this garden, 3 years ago. That's insane. What? What is that? Oh, that's just a flower bud. Oh, thank God. See weird colors like this, I think, oh no, potato bug. Oh my goodness. Peas are ready to harvest. Practically. Well, it's going to be a busy Canada Day. Picking berries off the front, picking some beans, picking some peas. And probably having some crispy kale today. I think there's quite enough there for me to start harvesting. What is this weird thing on the plant? Oh. What is that at? I wonder what that is. It looks dead. Oh well. That's enough jiggly camera. Our onions are doing just fine. You got the patch of dill flowering for the pollinators. And as we walk past our carrots, all the tops are looking quite healthy. I look over yesterday, and I don't know why, but squirrel decided to start digging inside this little pot here. I yelled at him. He ran away. I think he was trying to bury a nut or something. No consequences. Probably not a big fan of basil, I guess. All right, let's look at our squash box. Squash box, look at you. Oh, yes. Was it 5 days ago I said this thing would be bigger than my hand? Wow. Well, little squashes down there. So far, growing up. Oh, wow. Fruits of the labor are starting to show. And of course, more peas up here. And everything seems to be going in the right direction. Yeah. Oh, what's going on here? Is this, you're vining the wrong way. From overnight. Oh my goodness, that's a mess. I'm gonna have to get in there right after I do this shoot, before I pick berries. All right, let's go in the front and check on Butch. Wow. Yes, these are pretty freaky. Look at them. Look at them going right over the edge, trying to spread their seed. These are pretty hardy plants. They don't even need water. You just leave them there all summer, not water them, they won't die. I know, I've done it. All right, our pumpkin Still growing quite fine. Getting ready to shock the rest of the garden bed as it starts to vine. Our lavender is starting to just flower. What's going on here? Wow, what? That's is that going to seed already? Oh, I guess it is. Look at that. Very good. Our other giant sunflower, very much like Seymour in the backyard. I can see some bread left over here. And now the flies are into it. And the ants, looks like. Oh, what is that? Yeah. And of course, Butch, our sunflower, on live cam, still surviving. Our other squashes, let's see what happens with these. Oh, look, little pumpkin in the back there. Little pumpkin plant. Let's hope he makes it. Everything is flowering just wonderfully. So as you know, I make my own bread. And, you know, once in a while I get some leftover. Now, I had thrown some leftover dried bread pieces in here, and squirrels kind of liked it. So when I threw it out yesterday, nothing. Squirrels didn't come. The rain did. Oh well. I'm going to throw some fresh bread out for them today. Our other multi-headed sunflower, I guess we can call this one the Hydra. And our morning glories are just doing fantastic. Look at them climb. Climb, 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 climb. All the way to the top. Yeah. Okay, what is this? I don't know what you were, but I can't let you go in there. Okay, let's go over and look at our birdshit berry bush. Well, it's going to be quite the harvest again today. I have another batch on the go that I threw sugar in yesterday to macerate overnight to make jam this morning. Then I have to come out and pick more berries. Then I have to go pick some peas. Then I have to go pick some beans. And I have to go fix that vine in the squash box first. But before I do all of that, I'm going to go have some breakfast. And then we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.